On the eve of the new year, the staff of Pernem police station, headed by the PI, Shri Sandesh Chodankar, and his team of sub-inspectors and police officials in other rank, under the supervision of SDPO Mapsa, Sri Gajanan Prabhudesai, have apprehended one Nigerian national and recovered 309 grams of narcotic substance suspected to be cocaine and 200 grams of substance suspected to be MDMA. The total value of seizure is approximately around 50 lakhs 90,000. This commercial quantity seizure has been made possible due to the continuous efforts of North Goa District Police. As always, the Goa Police has zero tolerance to drugs, and the staff of Goa Police is continually committed to take substantive action against narcotic drug trafficking in the state. An offence has been registered against the culprit, and he is presently in our custody.
उत्तर गोंयान 31 डिसेंबराक मोटर वाहन कायदो मोडिल्ल्यांचो सुमार 2000 केसी रजिस्टर जाल्या. 300 जाणांक नो स्मोकिंग झोनान सिगरेट ओडटाना फायन मारल्या. दक्षिण गोंयान बेशिस्त गाडयो चलयतल्यांच्यो 400 केशी. प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.